Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you 11 ways to use DeepSeek for SEO. Let's get started. First of all, it can help you find long tail keywords. Give this prompt, suggest long tail keywords for an article about, let's say I want long tail keywords for gardening tips. So I've written gardening tips. You can write about any topic and click here. So you can see within seconds it has suggested me 20 long tail keywords for the article about gardening tips. But DeepSeek can't provide you the search volumes for these keywords. So make sure to check the search volume for these keywords in a keyword search tool like SEMrush or searchvolume.io to know the exact search volumes. Sometimes it suggests keywords that don't have any search volume to make sure to use another tool to find the search volumes. But it gives you a lot of long tail keyword ideas quickly. Secondly, it can help you find LSI keywords. Write this prompt, suggest LSI keywords for, let's say, blogging mistakes. You can ask to give LSI keywords for any topic, press enter. So you can see it has suggested LSI keywords for blogging mistakes. Now you can use these LSI keywords in your blog post to improve SEO. Moreover, it can also help you to find the search intent of keywords. Give this prompt, give me a list of keywords related to digital marketing, create a table and write search intent in front of each keyword. Let's see what it gives us. So you can see it has suggested the keywords and also wrote their search intent in front of them. So we have informational, transactional, and also told us what people are actually looking for when they type any keyword. For example, when a person types digital marketing budget, they are researching budgeting tips, and when someone types digital marketing certification, then they are seeking certification programs. But it hasn't suggested us commercial intent keywords, so you can write suggest commercial intent keywords as well. Press enter. So now these are all commercial intent keywords. Next, we can ask to create a blog outline. Let's say I want an outline for the blog post on page SEO checklist. So give the prompt, create an outline for the blog post on page SEO checklist. Let's see. This tool is new in the market and there is a hype for this tool. So you can see the server is busy. Please try again later. Let's try again. So let's see what it has created for us. So introduction, keyword search and optimization, title tag optimization, meta description optimization, URL structure, heading tags, content optimization. It has also given us bullet points under each heading, mobile friendliness, page speed optimization. So it's looking good. It's a good outline, but it gives you a draft outline. To make it better, check the top 10 Google search results, copy some of their headings and add to this outline to make it more comprehensive. But it's a very good starting point. The fifth way you can ask DeepSeek to help you with SEO is to ask it for facts. Let's say I'm creating a service page and I want to add facts at the end of the page to improve its SEO. I can give the prompt, suggest 10 facts that I can add at the end of the service page, digital marketing services in Dubai. Press enter. So you can see it has created 10 frequently asked questions and also wrote their answers. You can also ask to only write the questions and then you can answer those questions on your own. Now I can add these questions at the end of my service page, which is about digital marketing services in Dubai, to improve its semantic SEO, to help it rank for multiple keywords, and also to help this page rank in people also ask section in Google. Now let's see the sixth way this tool can help us in SEO. Let's say I want to know the search intent of a keyword and also to know about its target audience and which tone should I use. So I can give this prompt, analyze the keyword best running shoes for women, tell me its search intent, target audience and the best tone of voice to use. You can write your topic or keyword here. Let's see. So it has created this response and you can see the primary intent is commercial and secondary is informational. Target audience is woman 18 to 45 years old. The location, income level, tone of voice I can use, and also content ideas to target this keyword. So now you know who you are writing for and how to write it. Now let's discuss the seventh way. This tool can also help you create a privacy page for your website. Simply give this prompt, write a privacy policy page for my website, and then type the website address. Press enter. So it has created privacy policy for you. It's almost ready. You can read it and make small tweaks and then publish it. It has discussed all the important points and is almost ready to use. Number 8, this tool can also help you to write meta titles and descriptions for any page. Simply give this prompt, write 5 titles and descriptions for a service page, logo design services in New York. You can write your page topic here, press enter. So your meta tags are ready. You can read them and select the one you like, or you can mix these to create your own meta tags. I asked to write meta tags for a service page, but you can ask to write meta tags for any type of page, whether it's a product page, blog page, or any page. Now number 9, it can also help you to write SEO optimized YouTube video descriptions. Simply give this prompt, write a YouTube video description for write the topic of the video. Let's say I write how to use DeepSeek for SEO, following best SEO practices. So my YouTube video description is ready. You can see it has used different keywords naturally. Optimize your website, find the best keywords, boost your search engine rankings. Also added some resources. Why use DeepSeek for SEO? Links to get started, website links. I can add my links here. So it has written SEO optimized YouTube video description in seconds. Now the 10th way you can use this tool for SEO is you can use it to write backlink outreach email. Write this prompt, I own a fitness blog. You can write the topic of your blog here, create a backlink outreach email template, explain how linking to my content adds value to their website. You can also mention the blog which you want to promote. Let's see. Now here is the email you can use for backlink outreach. You can write the title here, link here, your name, your blog name. Within seconds, this tool has written a very professional email for you. Also some tips for success. And lastly, you can use this to generate anchor text for backlinks. Use this prompt, suggest anchor text for backlinks to a blog post titled Fitness Tips for Moms. Let's see. Now we have many SEO friendly anchor texts that we can use for link building. If we use different anchor text for backlinks, then it will make our backlinks look natural. You can see fitness tips for moms, mom fitness tips. As you know, if you use an anchor text over and over again, you can get penalized by Google. So you can use different anchor text variations. And here you can see all these. So these were the 11 ways to use DeepSeek for SEO. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.